Hi there. Welcome to the last session of our UX Design Foundation course. This has been an amazing journey. I'm really happy that you have watched all of these previous sessions and come this far. As a token of appreciation of your efforts, I have a really big surprise for you in the end. So do watch the video till the end. My name is Mayur Karodia. I am the founder of Dropout Academy and the instructor for this course. In this session, we'll talk about your roadmap to get your first job as a UX designer. Let's get started. In today's session, I'll share 4 secrets with you. The secrets that I have found out after talking to a lot of hiring managers and senior designers in the industry. So in order to become a job-ready UX designer, you essentially need 4 things. What are those 4 things? Let me share you what are those 4 things. Number 1 is design skills. To become a successful UX designer, your UX design skills should be top-notch. UX skills means design thinking, user research, personas, wireframes, laws of UX, etc. By the way, what you have learned in this course in the previous session is just a small glimpse of what UX looks like. The overall UX design bootcamp that we have at Dropout Academy is around 3 to 4 months, and that covers things from the very basics like design thinking, user interviews, user surveys, secondary research, wireframes, personas, to the very advanced concepts like heuristic analysis, usability testing, auto layout, components, variables, design systems. You might have heard of revenue models, what is B2B, what is B2C, what is dynamic prototype. So we cover all of that with a proper structure, with live case studies and assignments so that you can learn and then you apply whatever you have learned. Second secret that you need to become a job-ready UX designer is communication skills. Although this might seem like a trivial skill, but communication plays a really important role in UX design. As a UX designer, you need to communicate your thoughts and your ideas to your stakeholders, to your users, to your managers. And so it becomes very important that you have at least those basic communication skills, basic level of communication skills, so that you can translate your ideas, so you can convey your ideas to them. Now, it's not essential that you should be very fluent in English, but you should at least have that basic level of communication skills so that you can crack interviews and you can explain your design process to the interviewees. If you enroll in Dropout Academy's UX Bootcamp, you have sessions on business communication every week. You also have mock interviews at the end of the cohort so that it improves your communication skills and prepare you for the interviews. Secret number 3 is network. There's a common saying that your network is your net worth. This couldn't be more right. As a UX designer, having a good network with senior UX design professionals helps a lot. Now, it doesn't mean to go to every event that's happening in your city and stand awkwardly in a corner asking for people's contact numbers. In today's era, networking can happen online as well. The most simple and effective way to connect with other design professionals in the industry is through LinkedIn. You can also join various UX design communities to connect with like-minded folks. When you enroll in Dropout Academy's UX Bootcamp, you get access to a pool of top designers in India. You get one-on-one sessions with designers working in top companies like Meta, Google, Nike, and Myntra. You also get added to a community of like-minded folks which has both senior design professionals as well as people who are currently working in the industry but have once been at a point where you are right now. So you can also learn from them, learn from their mistakes and learn from their journey that they have followed. You can ask doubts in the community. You can really get a roadmap of what your approach should be like. You can get feedback on your portfolios and assignments. These UX mentors and senior design professionals in the community can also refer you to their respective companies. It's a known fact that having good people in your network can increase your chances to get hired by up to 10 times. And it's time for the most important secret. Secret number 4, an amazing portfolio. One of the things that people often miss out when learning by their own is that UX design is only effective if you build a case study or a project around it. Think about if you had to hire an architect to design your house. How would you know if they are good or not? By looking at their previous works or projects, right? Similarly, as a UX designer, you have to have like a really good portfolio of couple of case studies and projects to showcase your work and your skills. You also need somebody to review your projects so you can know what mistakes you are making and where can you improve it. And that generally doesn't happen when you are learning on your own. So if you can find a mentor for yourself, that's great. Otherwise, at Dropout Academy, we have mentors, we have TAs, we have instructors that can give you critical feedback on your projects and can be really hands-on with your progress. They can also help you come up with real-life projects so your case studies look amazing. Nowadays, a lot of companies are also expecting designers to have their own portfolio websites. So in the bootcamp, you'll also be taught about how to create your own no-code portfolio website using AI. And right after you finish your curriculum, your case studies, etc., you are then connected with the placement team that assesses your skills, prepares you with mock interviews, and then connects you with the right companies for placements. Remember, a good portfolio is a must to get a well-paying job in UX design. And as a rule of thumb, you should have at least 3 case studies in your portfolio to be eligible for any interview process. Alright guys, so I hope you work on these 4 secrets that I have told you and create a place for yourself in the field of UX design. And now it's the time for big surprise that I have told you in the beginning. As an appreciation, as a token of appreciation of your effort of sitting together, investing your time and completing this course, if you score 70% or above in the assignments overall for this course, you get a flat 10% off if you enroll in UX Design Bootcamp. So I thank you once again for taking out the time and completing this course and listening to me very patiently. If you have any queries, doubts or feedback, you can join our community and post it there. If you can bear with my jokes and would like to stay in touch, please connect with me on LinkedIn. If we happen to be in the same city, let's catch up and discuss design over a cup of coffee. I once again wish you all the best in your journey of UX design. Thank you so much. Bye bye.